Alright, can't make this one too long because it's a 8K video and I cannot edit 8K so far on my phone. I gotta find some better software. But I'm working on the JD 317 skid steer. And what I was working on was replacing that mechanism right there. This little guy here, because the old one just didn't want to play no more, and it broke in half. Flang, Dunsky. So I had to put another one of them on there after waiting for it to get here from John Deere. But once I got it back on there, I discovered that my control arm for that side over there had a whole lot of freaking play in it. Like, it was all over the damn place, and I couldn't find any problems with the linkages anywhere. Then I start looking at the pedestal where it mounts, and see there's not much left there but rust. And both of the bolts had basically torn through their little bolt holes on that little pedestal, like this guy here is sitting on. See that little bolt there, that little bolt there. So that whole mechanism was just wobbling and flopping around. I think that might have been what caused it to get in a bind and break the other control, little control bracket. So I'm tearing all this out so I can rebuild the pedestal and put it all back together. Here's the other control arm. I just tore that metal right the hell off there. Whole bunch of fun. Yeah, before I stuck the new control lever apparatus on there, this thing was it was kind of a death trap. You fire it up and it would immediately, the left control, the left track wheels over here would just go forward, and they were like all the way forward all the time, and it was like you're riding a damn Tasmanian devil until it starts to try and flip over. Oh, it was spooky. Just getting it to where I could work on it was kind of kind of spooky. This thing wanted to be a damn, I don't know, like riding a damn bull. It was spookier than riding a bull. You're inside the damn thing, can't get out of it. Anyway, that's what I got going on today. Hope y'all are having fun.